Hi, it's Robin Nola. We wanted to show you a few of our brand new Brazilian birds. This is on black tourmaline and it's a ruby onyx bird, and this looks so real. Isn't that amazing? It looks like a real sparrow. Their little faces are so cute, and their beaks are made of black obsidian and the eyes are black obsidian, 100% crystal except the feet, and then the base that the birds sit on is black obsidian. And the second bird is a golden healer, beautiful golden healer quartz on blue kyanite base. Stunning work of art. So beautiful. And any of our birds can be custom made. We are accepting custom orders. And this beauty is clear crystal quartz with quartz and black tourmaline for the base. Gorgeous. Little sparrow. And then we also have a few owls and a beautiful clear quartz crystal parrot. This is water clear quartz. You can see my hand right through it. Look how beautiful. Look at the details. Stunning. And this beauty sits on a amazonite. Beautiful crystal base. Look at how beautiful this is. It's a natural stone, all from Brazil. The beautiful face. So many rainbows in these. There's the beautiful tail. Gorgeous. And then the next one is already sold. And this was a custom creation, but I thought I would show it here today. So if you wanted to create something similar, you could. So the owl is tiger's eye. Isn't that beautiful? And she sits on a beautiful black tourmaline and quartz base. A really, really pretty one. Really gorgeous. Look at this. So gorgeous. The details are amazing. And so on our custom orders, the owl will look similar, and then the crystal bases are always one of a kind. And so if you do go ahead and place a custom order, I usually send between 3 and 4 choices for the base, so you get to choose. Okay, and the next owl is rose quartz. And she sits on a gorgeous pink tourmaline and quartz base. That is so beautiful. Look at this detail. And then the beautiful rose quartz owl. And then the last owl is clear quartz. And she sits on a blue kyanite. And this is a beautiful owl with rainbows. So I hope you enjoyed our beautiful Brazilian bird collection, and we are taking custom orders, and these beauties will be up on my website in a couple of days, and they sell very fast. So if there's something you like, please reach out to me as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a really beautiful day.